We know that shapes can be partitioned into equal parts in many ways. Let's use what we know to solve a problem. Sam wanted to make a trapezoid-shaped flag. She decided to partition her trapezoid in half, so she folded her trapezoid in half and then drew a vertical line down the fold in the middle. She knew she needed each half to be designed differently, so she put lightning bolts on one half and stripes on the other. Deb also wanted his flag to be partitioned in half, but he started with a triangle. He turned his triangle on its side, folded it in half, and drew a horizontal line across the middle. He made his halves different by coloring one green and one purple. When Sam and Deb shared their flags, they saw that their flags were similar because they were both partitioned in half. Kate is making a flag shaped like a circle, and that has 3 equal parts. First, she started by drawing a line down the center of the circle and stopping in the middle. Then she drew 2 lines that both started where the first line ended and went diagonally to the outside of the circle. The first time she did this, she cut her pieces apart to prove that they were the same. Then she got another circle and partitioned it the same way as she did the first time. She was sure that she had 3 equal parts. In order to design each part differently, she used smiley faces, hearts, and dots. Ron made his flag into thirds by folding his rectangle. It took him a few tries, but he was able to find exactly where to draw his lines so that each third was equal. Then he chose to color each third a different color so all the parts would look different. As they were sharing, the 2 friends realized that even though their flags looked very different, they were similar and that they were both partitioned into thirds. Maya decided to make her flag shaped like a square. She wanted to partition her flag into fourths in a new way she learned, to have fourths that were different shapes. She started by partitioning her square in half by drawing a vertical line down the middle. Then she drew another vertical line to partition one half in half again, making 2 fourths. She partitioned the other half a different way, with a horizontal line. When she was done, she had 4 equal parts that were shaped differently. She colored each fourth a different color: pink, blue, green, and orange. Kareem's flag has 6 sides and is shaped like a hexagon. He made fourths by first partitioning his hexagon in half with a vertical line, and then in half again with a horizontal line. By doing this, he'd created 4 equal parts. He decided to draw a different design on each part: stripes, dots, stars, and a sun. After Maya and Kareem showed their flags, they saw that they had each made a flag with fourths. Even though all of Kareem's fourths were the same shape and Maya's fourths were shaped differently, both of their flags had 4 equal parts. We can use what we know about drawing and partitioning closed 2D shapes to solve problems.